Hi, my name is Gentry Kelly with Gentry Kelly Cosmetics. I'm going to go over our entire line of organic and plant-based products, who they're for, and what they do. Item number one and one of our best sellers in the whole line is Exfoliate. This is a daily mint scrub with aloe to help calm and soothe any redness, and a rounded jojoba ester so it doesn't tear up your skin. Also contains lemon, which is really good for the blackheads here and here. I recommend this product for all skin types to use every morning. Second product is Undress Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. When you add water to this eucalyptus gel-like product, it gets nice and foamy. I always start with my face in a circular motion, and if you watch in the mirror, you can see it go from clear to white when it lathers, and then beige or whatever color your skin is when the makeup comes off. Once the makeup is off your face, I move to my eyes, and it also removes waterproof eyeliner and mascara. Best part is it smells like the spa. I use this product every evening, and it's for all skin types. After you've either exfoliated or undressed AM and PM, you want to use Quench. This is our alcohol-free toner that helps hydrate the skin cells, plumping them up full of water like a grape. It has cucumber, aloe, and lavender flower water. I always say 4 pumps: Father, Son, Holy Spirit, so you don't forget. Allow that product to sit for 1 minute before applying serums and creams. Our Quench toner is for all skin types as well. If you're really oily, it helps to balance moisture production, making your skin feel like it doesn't need to produce as much. If you're dry, you're gonna love this one because it prevents that really tight, dry feeling you get just within 1 minute of washing your face. In our line of organic products, we have one serum called Revive. Although it may not be for everybody, if you're very sensitive, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, easily inflamed skin, you are going to be obsessed with this one. It has arnica, which is great for under the eyes during the day for puffiness and dark circles. Also good with the aloe to help calm and soothe any redness in the skin, and cucumber also depuffs. And we have 3 moisturizers to choose from, starting with Balance for oily skin. They all contain hyaluronic acid, and each with different levels of oil, Balance being the lightest, which helps balance an oilier skin type. It contains avocado oil and jojoba oil, leaving your skin feel comfortable and not too oily. Hydrate is the most popular. It has mango butter and avocado oil, really good for someone who has a skin type with both oily and dry areas. If you have very little to no oil production, or maybe postmenopausal and you just haven't produced oil in years, you are going to love Enrich. This has more of a shea butter type feel and texture, also contains hyaluronic acid like the other 2, but it also contains antioxidants and richer oils and ingredients that help you feel hydrated all day long. While not every skincare product in our line is organic and plant-based, the ones in the black and chrome packaging are. We source all of the oils organically and have aloe to help calm and soothe sensitive skin types. And everything in this organic line is also fragrance-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and plant-based, made for the most sensitive skin types, because sometimes things that work naturally work best.